Good day everyone. Today I will discuss a business process redesign study that focuses on enhancing inventory management for retail clothing outlets. The primary goal is to address the inefficiencies, improve operations, and customer satisfaction.
And now, let's start by understanding business processes. A business process is an organized set of tasks or activities that transform inputs like time, resources, and information into output that create value. The key objectives include efficiency, standardization, quality assurance. Why redesign business processes? Redesigning business processes is crucial to addressing inefficiencies and waste while improving quality and customer service. Redesigning aims to streamline operation, minimize resource usage, and eliminate redundancies. It also ensures responsiveness to evolving technologies and market trends, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. In this study, I chose retail clothing store. Retail clothing stores often face significant operational challenges, like inventory issues. In inventory issues, overstocking and stock out result in increased costs and lost sales. The second one is a manual processes. In manual processes, stock tracking and logging are tedious and error prone. The third one is the customer experience. In customer experience, frequent out of stock items and long wait times impact satisfaction and loyalty. The fourth one is the supplier relations. Supplier relations, poor communication delays stock replenishment. These inefficiencies necessitate a comprehensive redesign of inventory management processes. Those bottlenecks affect both customers and employees. For customers, customer experience dissatisfaction due to out-of-stock items and delayed services. And for employees, repetitive manual tasks lead to frustrations and reduce productivity. To address these issues, we propose a redesigned inventory management processes. The proposed solution focuses on re-engineering the inventory management process with innovative tools like automation. Automation use RFID and barcode scanning for real-time stock updates, predictive analytics for accurate demand forecasting, integrated systems like POS system linked to inventory for seamlessly updates, cloud platforms to centralize inventory visibility.